My name is AbdEl-Monem El-Sharkawy. I am a faculty member at the Systems and Biomedical Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering, Cairo University. The department is the organizer of the 7th Cairo International Biomedical Engineering Conference, SIBIC 2014. I am also the advisory chair of the conference, and I am a member of the Scientific and Technical Committee. I would like to seize this opportunity to highlight what is new this year, hopefully encouraging both local and international researchers to attend. The conference is being held in a historic hotel, the Mina House, which is named after the founding father of the first Egyptian dynasty, Mina or King Menes. It was initially built in 1869 for the Egyptian king Ismail Pasha. Many famous international figures have been to the place over the last century or so. For example, Prince Albert Victor of Wales, Winston Churchill of Britain, King Farouk, President Richard Nixon of USA, Roger Moore, the famous actor, and the famous singer Frank Sinatra, as well as the famous comedian Charlie Chaplin, and many more. We'll be overlooking the Great Pyramids that truly exemplifies Egypt's intellectual might, engineering ingenuity, and perseverance over centuries. It is definitely a charming, unique location that can't be found except in Egypt. Besides the historic aspect and the charm of the place, this year's program is definitely rich and exciting. I believe that this year the technical committee did a considerable effort during the review process, aided by expert reviewers in the various disciplines of biomedical engineering. The total acceptance rate of the submitted scientific papers was around 40%. Local submissions came from research groups working in different Egyptian institutions spanning all the public, non-profit, as well as the private sectors. We had submissions from Alexandria in the north to Asyut in the south. This only but shows the importance SIBIC developed over the last decade or so to become a venue for local researchers to present their scientific contributions in the biomedical field area. In addition to that, we had international submissions from Europe, Asia, and USA, demonstrating the international nature of the conference. This year, we have an unprecedented number of prominent speakers. Our international speakers are experts in their field. They have very high H indices, and the H index is actually a factor to measure the importance of a researcher's work and publications. This also reflects the high research impact they possess. Indeed, one of our presenters holds 60 patents, while another holds 37 patents, apart from the large portfolios of published peer-reviewed journal papers. Our presenters will come from different reputable research institutions, including the University of Washington, the Johns Hopkins University, Emory University, and the Virginia Commonwealth University from USA, as well as Kyung-hee University from South Korea and Bilkent University from Turkey. This again reflects the true international nature of SIBIC. I would like to point that 4 of our speakers are going to be talking about medical imaging radiological modalities that represent the working horses and forefront of the modern medical diagnosis field. Talks will include ultrasound devices, single photon emission tomography known as SPECT, and positron emission tomography known as PET. They both can be classified under the category of nuclear imaging. And last but not least is magnetic resonance imaging known as MRI. Many aspects of the talks are particularly expected to span medical physics as well as instrumentational aspects. Since this touches my field of expertise, I am personally excited and looking forward to attend such important talks. I particularly believe we have a lot to learn and do in this regard, so this resembles an excellent opportunity to listen firsthand from pioneers in the medical imaging field. So yes, I think a gathering like this is inspiring to local students, researchers, and faculty members. SIBIC 2014 will be the result of a collaborative team effort building on the gained experience and reputation over the past decade or so. This year, we hope you will find the program, the organization, the theme, both enjoyable and of great scientific benefit. On behalf of all of my colleagues on the organizational committee of SIBIC and myself, I would like to invite you all to participate. See you soon.